How's it going, folks? Welcome back to Scooter's Garage. Your eyes are not deceiving you. I did in fact buy the cheapest Can Am Outlander 850 I could find on Facebook Marketplace. You know, we'll call this our next project. She does need a little bit of work, although it runs really well for, you know, having 2,700 miles on it. Previous owner took pretty good care of it. He built it for mudding and used it as such, so, you know, she's got some battle scars and whatnot, but you know me, I'm a sucker for a project. Kind of give you a little bit of a quick rundown here on it. It's a 2018 Outlander XT 850. It's got the rad relocate, snorkel, Interco swamp light tires, and we'll take a peek in here. She's got a 2-inch high lifter, puck lift, I guess we'll call it. I'm not really a huge fan of these, just simply because it ends up stiffening the suspension up just a little bit too much. I'm gonna look into seeing maybe if I can find like a bracket lift or something along those lines, because I do like the way that it sits. Back here, you know, we got seats a little torn up, which is, you know, not really a big deal. Seat covers are relatively cheap. The biggest issue, and this will be our next video here. Oh yep, can't forget about the Yoshimura pipe. Can Am factory pipe. But on to our next issue. You know, the first real issue here, I don't know if you guys can really tell or not, but there is gear oil leaking out of the pinion seal. As these Gen 2s are known for, the needle bearings went bad and it ended up wiping out the pinion bearings. So we've got a rebuild kit on the way. We got new heavy duty axles coming. Apologize for the screen flash there. Yeah, so we're going to do 2 new rear axles. We'll do a video on rebuilding the rear end and the little fix that I found for the lack of oil to the needle bearings for the pinion. Pardon me, I'm a little plugged up today. Some of the plastics are a bit, you know, a bit faded, a little on the light side, but we'll bust out a heat gun and we'll take care of that fairly quickly. Not really a big deal. We'll show you how to do that, even though there's already hundreds of videos on it. It does have a winch, factory worn winch on it. There's the high lifter logo from the lift kit. Man, I'm all over the place with the camera today. And I do apologize for the wind noise. It's a bit breezy here today, but to show you a little bit, I took the heat gun out and kind of started a little bit just to make sure it was going to work. You can kind of see the difference there, maybe not. Oh, there you go. There's a little bit of a better shot. You know, it's just sun fading. It's typical. As machines get older, if they sit outside a little bit and whatever, the black plastics do tend to fade. Other than that, you know, she's a good running machine, and we're gonna see what we can do about getting her back up to snuff. I got about 2.5 weeks before I need to have it ready to go to West Virginia with some friends and go ride the Hatfield and McCoy trails. So be looking for some videos coming up pretty quick. If you wanna get notified when those videos come out, then you know, hit the subscribe button and then ring the bell, so that way you get notifications on all our new videos. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. It helps us with the algorithm, helps us get out to the people a little bit more. But yeah, until next time, keep it shiny side up.